What if Germany became a monarchy in 1938? A monarchy is a form of government where a monarch, typically a king or queen, holds significant power, either as a ceremonial or absolute ruler. In the context of 1938 Germany, this would mean the re-establishment of a royal family as the symbolic and potentially authoritative head of state, likely replacing Adolf Hitler and the National Socialist regime. The significance of this point in relation to the main topic lies in the profound impact such a change could have had on the political landscape of Europe and the course of World War II. With Germany on the brink of expanding its aggressive ambitions under Hitler, a shift to monarchy might have altered its domestic and foreign policies, potentially averting or delaying the onset of war. For instance, the restoration of a monarchy could have leaned towards traditional diplomatic relationships and alliances, thereby fostering a different political trajectory. Real-world examples help illustrate this concept. Consider the United Kingdom, a constitutional monarchy that maintained stability and continuity through tumultuous times, including during World War II. The monarchy provided a unifying symbol above political fray, which might have fostered a similar stabilizing influence in Germany. Another example is Japan, where the emperor, initially a symbol of imperial expansion, became a figure around whom post-war democratization could be negotiated, suggesting that a German monarchy might have served as a vehicle for political transition or reform. Opinions supporting this idea suggest that a monarchy could have presented a counterbalance to the extreme ideologies of the Nazi regime, potentially providing a moderated approach to governance. Monarchists at the time argued that reinstating a royal figure could restore Germany's pre-World War I traditions and act as a stabilizing force against radical movements. Yet this theoretical shift was not without challenges or controversies. The restoration of a monarchy in 1938 would have faced significant obstacles,